Hi, welcome to another DIY Umar video. Today we are fixing the driveway cracks. Materials required to do this: you need a filler material, you need a concrete crack filler, and you need a crack sealant. This is more permanent sealant. So the first step, prepping your cracks. Use your flathead screwdriver to remove any of the debris or old sealant material like this. Once these are removed and you've prepped it, if required, you can use a wire tool. You can use a wire tool like this and essentially get any debris out, obviously without the filler material in the place, in the way, but you get the point. You just prep the surface with a wire brush tool to your power driller so that the filler material has a slope to get into it. So use your flathead, start pushing this thing inside like this. So what this essentially does is it creates a vapor barrier in the cracks by filling this in, and also would take lesser volume for this to fill in these cracks. And once you push that in, use something like this. You gotta shake this really well before you use it. It's a very thick compound, and there is probably an polymer based liquid. So what happens is when you put it in, it would dry in like this essentially. And this is something I had to fix because there was a stone that came out. So I just pulled the stone, filled this filler material, and put back that stone over there. It's a wide crack that this material is not good enough to fill in, so I did that over there. And once this thing dries, you can use this permanent sealer to essentially cover that. I'll show you how it would look after doing that. I practically finished doing it over here. So this is how it's gonna look once it's been done. That's all fixed. You can see this is all sealed. Gotta start working from here. This is a pretty minor crack, and again over here, if you see, that stone had come out, so I use the filler material to push that in so that the stone doesn't come out. The same width here. So right now we are just fixing this place by filling in that material. Next we could go ahead, use that liquid to go in, and I'll show you how do we fill in once I finish putting the filler material across those cracks. And yeah, once those cracks are filled in with the filler material, if you see, there you go, gotta use this concrete crack filler. It says I think I got this in Home Depot. You get something similar in Lowe's too. See, I've filled the horizontal cracks too here, or the slab. So once you do this, you need to shake this really good and just start filling it in the cracks. really slow. Once you do that, make sure there's enough thing that's filled in. Yeah, I guess that's why you need to go really slow. Make sure all the cracks filled in, and that's how you repair your driveway cracks. Thanks for watching.